A very happy morning, cheerful morning to all my little angels. How are you? Fine. How you are doing with your worksheets? Okay. Yes, I am glad to listen. So today we will be doing worksheet of noun. English grammar noun. So let's revise. I told you no definition of noun. What's noun? All the naming words are called noun. My name is Anjali. What I do? I teach in Christ school. What's that? This is a smart board. Anjali is a naming word, name of a person. What's the smart board? Name of a thing. So all these things make a noun. Let's do the worksheet now. Today children, we are going to do the worksheet of noun. First see the pictures, identify the pictures, and then you have to write in the proper column. First one is the picture of chair. Next one is umbrella. Third one is pilot. And the next one is school. Nurse. This one is tiger. Now read the question along with me. Look at the pictures given below and read their names. Write in proper column. So first one was the picture of, tell me, chair. So where you will be writing chair? Tell me. It's a thing. So you will be writing picture, spelling of. So children, have you seen the picture? We will be writing their names. Nurse. It will be she is a person. So we will be writing in this column. N-U-R-S-E, nurse. Place. A school is a place. So you will be writing in this column school. Thing. Chair is a thing. So you will be writing in the column of things. Tiger. Tiger is a animal. So where you will be writing tiger? Here, animals. Followed. Now we will move to the next question. Read along with me children. There are 4 words in each group. Cross the word that is not a naming word. There are 4 words. In each line there are how many words? 4. Let's read. Pond, ice, shoe, big. Come on, which one is not a naming word? Tell me. Is the noun? This is noun? No. So what we will be doing, children? We will cross. We will cross this word which is man, garden and book. So which is not a naming word? And is a naming word? No. So where you are going to put a cross? On the and. Because and is not a naming word, it's a conjunction. X, cry, bike, cow. Now tell me which is not a naming word? Think. Yes, you have got it. Cry is not a naming word. Office, ground, eagle, this. Which one is not a naming word? This one. Got it, beta? Very nice. Now we will move to the next question. Here are some naming words that got mixed up with other alphabets. You have to find out the naming words. Let's try to understand what we have to do in this beta. What we have to do? F dash 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 R. What you are going to write? You have to see the table. From this you have to select the spelling and write out the missing letters so we can complete the naming word. F dash 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 R. What will come over here? F L O W E. R is already over there. So it makes the spelling of flower. Spelling of flower. Got it? Next one. M dash dash N. Find out. Got it? O over here, it becomes a spelling of moon. So it's also a naming word. 2 I have done for you. 3, this 4 you will be doing. F dash N. May I tell you once? Okay. Fun. You have to select all the spellings from this table given over here. Fourth one is U dash 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 E. Find out. Got the clue? Very nice. U dash 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 A. What's the spelling? Tell me. Tell me. Umbrella. Got it? You have to write over here to fill the gap of a missing word. M dash P. Fill in the missing. M-A-P. Got it? Very nice. Very, very nice. Hope you have understood. So children, hope you have understood the whole worksheet of noun. So now you are clear with the definition of noun and the meaning and the worksheet, how you have to proceed, how you have to go. Yes, but you will be writing very neatly in the worksheet as well as in your notebook also. Till then, remain safe, stay blessed. Bye bye.